Well, good morning, folks. We're over here at Lindo Lake, and the weather is getting crisp, and the geese are honking, the birds are flying, and I've got a great Genesis GV70 Prestige model. It's Genesis smaller SUV, and I have to tell you, this thing is awesome. Competition, they're in real trouble. 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. It has got it all. This guy is just a great look. The Manua Red is the color of the exterior. The calipers even have Genesis written on it, so you'll know what you've got. Beautiful wheel package. Just a great car. Hey, good morning. I see we got the troops out today. Horsepower in case you get tired. And then here comes some more. This is a great park to bring your dogs, folks, by the way. Come right ahead.
Good morning.
How are you this fine morning?
We are great. How are you?
Excellent.
Love your shirt.
Oh, thanks. Love your dogs. Look at those guys.
Yeah.
So going back to the Genesis, and those dogs would fit in this car absolutely perfectly. Great leather, great seating, great instrumentation. It's just, I could not find anything I didn't like about it. The instrumentation on this is massive. It goes clear across the front. Some of it could use a few more knobs. Some of it's a little bit hard to maneuver. But then again, like I tell people, when us journalists get in these cars, we only have them for a week, okay? Well, it takes that long to get acclimated to your car. I mean, I know people that drive cars that haven't got all the bells and whistles figured out. They've been in it 6 months to a year. But you're not going to have any trouble with the Genesis. It's a really great car to get comfortable with, great car for the family. In fact, why don't we just take a nice little walk around, and we'll give you a little bit more in-depth of what you've got with the 2026 Genesis GV70 Prestige. Okay, so back to the 2026 Genesis GV70 3.5 T for turbo sports Prestige. 3.5-liter twin turbo V6, 8-speed automatic electronic suspension, and boy, you can tell it. Got a nice grill package on it, not too, in your face. Nice off-colored. No chrome. So this must be the year of no chrome. You've got the beautiful 21-inch tire wheel package, which is awesome as far as handling the ride. It gets you down the road absolutely comfortable. You've also got heated and vented front seats, power tilt wheel, smart cruise control, surround view monitoring. And I was talking about the instrumentation, which will open the door and take a look. 27-inch OLED instrument cluster, Apple CarPlay, and a Bang Olufsen sound system. If you've never heard of it, top of the line. You got two-tone door handles, just little subtle touches. You've got lighting in the rear view mirrors so that when people are seeing you come back in and out. Look at the beautiful red interior. It's got a flowing center console system. The knobs you see in the center, they could be a little bit confusing. One of them is a shifter, and the other one is for adjusting the center. In fact, I'll fire this one up, and you can see the width of it. And you'll see what I'm talking about. Power, tilt, and telescoping steering wheel, which is really great. Interesting on the dash, it shows the car painted almost the color of the car. Normally, you don't get that, which I was kind of surprised. You've got great interior. You got, but look at that. As far as, you got your instrumentation. Whoops. And what you have too, let me get this. Turn signals, cameras. Turn signals, turn to right. Camera goes all the way down the right side. I highly recommend that as something that should be a standard feature. Just really, really cool. But look at the whole, all the way across. I mean, it gives you a lot of, opportunities to especially if you put her in reverse, Look at the backup camera. We can see the dog walking by. And it shows the color of the car, actually, which is really a nice feature from a safety point of view. Down below, all your climate control, seat heaters, seat heaters, massagers. In fact, let me move my seat up there. You've also got a nice pano sunroof. That was all one touch. Let's see. There we go. And that's what you want, then, of course, your lighting and what have you. What else do we got? One thing that you do is put this in drive, and you hit your map. See, this is what you can, the knob in the front is for moving, your map around. And people do sometimes get confused because the shifter is right behind it. But after a while, it's a no-brainer. Let's take a look at what we have in the back. By the way, when you shut the car off, the seat automatically goes back and the steering wheel goes up for easy in and out. You've got your manual shades in the windows, which is a nice feature that you can put up. And these are the type where you don't have to, they're manual. So if I wanted to roll the windows down, yeah, they might flap in the wind, but it's still, a lot of time if it's all electronic, then it's all electronic, and that's hard to do. This might just be, I think, this one doesn't have a special that I can find. Nope. I guess you have to do it with the key fob. But that's okay. We can open her up. Does the warning light. Got the 60/40 split seats. Got the protector on here so that if you're not damaged. All right. Small, not much as far as underbody. Got 12-volt plug-ins, plus you've got tie downs. And again, the seats just fold flat. It's pretty, it's pretty basic. It's got tons of safety that you would expect on this car. You've got, it's just an all-around great vehicle. You've got, let me see, I think you've got, you got the Sport Advance and the Sport Prestige. Those are your two models that you can choose from. In the Prestige, you get carbon fiber trim, heated second row seats on the outboard, manual curtains, 3-zone climate, heads-up display, Napa leather, and 21-inch tires and wheels. So that's what you get with this particular model. Go to the website. You can find out a whole lot more just by looking and seeing what you can, give up or keep. Me personally, I like to get them loaded because when you get them loaded for trade-in, it makes it all the difference in the world. I've also got something that you wouldn't know if I didn't tell you, but we'll do that in a moment. But don't forget, check out my YouTube page at Mr. Dave Stahl. Listen to KCBQ AM 1170 tomorrow at 2 o'clock, and you'll hear my extended review on this car as well. Hey, keep watching us. Keep liking our YouTube page. We appreciate it. And we'll talk to you down the road.